In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Smyths Toys gift card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do, head on over to smythstoys.com. And now from here, we need to navigate to the bottom of the page in the website's footer. Under custom information, it says gift cards. Click onto gift cards. And then we've got an option to shop for e-gift cards or shop for physical gift cards. So depending what you want to do, click onto it. So I want to, for this demonstration, I want to shop for e-gift cards. And as it states here, choose the amount you would like and enter the email address of the recipient. Smyths Toys will email the e-gift card directly to the recipient. You can also enter a personal message for the recipient. Our gift cards are now redeemable in store and online. So from here, select email gift card amount. So we've got an option from £5 to 250. I'm going to do 100. Give sender's name. I'm going to put my name, Tutorial Wiz, and you can just enter some text here to personalize your gift. Then from there, click on the green add to basket button. Then it says item has been added to your basket. I'm going to click on view basket. Now from here, if you want to order more than one gift card, it says quantity. If I want to add it, if I want to do 5, just change that number to 5. But it looks like for this amount, I can only do 1. So from here, click on checkout. Then you got to put in your details here, put in your phone number, and then click next. Then you got to put in obviously your details, payment information. So you can pay via Visa card, credit card, American Express, fill in all that. Please tick the checkbox if you wish to receive marketing. So it's up to you if you want to have that checked or not. And then simply go ahead and click on place order for your gift card.